Welcome everyone to our Kiyomisandz submarine series, and this is episode 4. And in this episode, we'll be discussing our rich body butters. Our rich body butters contain more than 60% cocoa butter and organic shea butter, and that is why they're called rich body butters, because it's rich in all of these natural nutrients. And it also contains vitamin E, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, and all the other nutritious ingredients in it. What makes our body butters a lot more different than the other body butters that you'll find locally on the market is that it contains water in it. I made sure that this contained water in it because I wanted to make sure there was a maximum amount of hydration in your skin, especially when you apply it onto your skin. It doesn't feel very tacky, it doesn't feel very oily, so that is why it feels amazing the way it does. Our body butters are also a lot more thicker and richer than your average aqueous creams that you find in pharmacies and other retail stores. And for these properties that I just mentioned, that is why our body butters sell really well during winter and autumn season, because a lot of people suffer from dry skin in those two seasons. And if you're like me, I tend to switch between body lotion and the body butters according to the seasons because my skin changes according to the seasons. In summertime, I use the body lotions because my skin is not as drying, and then in winter season, I use the body butters because my skin gets very dry. Some people's skin don't change at all, irrespective of what season it is, so you just have to figure out what works for you, and then you can use the products accordingly. And that brings us to the end of our episode. Hope you guys learned a lot, and remember, love thyself. And the big smile. No, you can't put the butter on your bread.